front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Passwords Manager. As we all know, all of your passwords in Google Passwords Manager must be updated to the correct one, or autofill won't work properly. That's why I decided to record this video and show you exactly how to edit any password added to your manager. Let's begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Now hit Open under Google. Choose Google Password Manager and finally tap on any password you wanna edit. Enter your screen lock. Hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching.